stop playing with him.
GRWM in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Gavin, I need some wind blowing. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're.
Whoa.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm GRWM. Today I'm doing a 3-in-1 get ready with me Beyonce Coachella edition. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got my makeup, my hair, and my cute little outfit. So if you're interested in seeing, then keep watching. So we're gonna be Coachella, yellow Coachella. I mean yellow Beyonce, in fact. She looks so gorgeous. We're gonna be here for cheap, you know, the outfit, everything. Yeah, I'm just doing my brows. Looks like her makeup artist likes to keep her brows looking natural. They're not too, you know, uniformed. I was Googling Beyonce Super Bowl, Beyonce Coachella makeup looks like up close because I really wanted to do it, but it's really up to you and your imagination because they do not have any up close pictures. And in some of the looks that I was looking at, it looked like she had glossy lids. Some of the it looked like she had glitter lids. So I'm just like, okay, you know. It's open to the imagination, I see. If you guys watched the performance, what was your favorite moment? Personally, for me, my favorite moment was when Solange came out and they was doing a little dance. Like, I was like, oh, that's so cute. All right, so once we have that through our brows, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our NARS in the color Ginger. Of course, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I love this stuff. I gotta snatch some brows. Beyonce's brows are pretty snatched, so you know we're gonna snatch. Okay, so after that, we're gonna just take a brush or whatever and just blend it out. And you guys can see the difference that the concealer made. All right, open to imagination. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first go in with our Laura Mercier face primer. You know, Beyonce. And this is just so our makeup can last all day, you know. I'm gonna go in with my MAC in the color NC44. So yeah, we're gonna go in with this. We can use a brush because it's Beyonce. Beauty blenders are for the... So after this one layer of foundation, I'm gonna go in with my eye makeup. And then I'm gonna finish the face only because if I have any fallout, we can clean that up with some concealer, you dig? I think for my eye makeup, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette. I don't know, it's like really universal. You can get a lot of different looks out of the Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't even be trying to plug her like that, but the palette is pretty good. All right, so for the eye makeup, yeah, I'm gonna just go in with this brown shade here and just dust that back and forth on my lid. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go in with this dark shimmer shade. I'm gonna use this first, and that's gonna be the shade for the base of the glitter. But this is the Stila glitter in the color Smoldering Satin, and I'm gonna just literally put on a little and then kind of like dab it all out. Like literally put on a little. And I'm just using a powder black. This is our foundation. So we're gonna put a bit of highlight on our face. Not a lot, but a bit, but not a lot. And I'm just saying not a lot because normally I go in with a shit ton. Beyonce is snatched, that nose is snatched. So we're gonna blend out our under eyes with this beauty blender. It's just kind of dry, so I really gotta go in and dampen it up for some odd reason. I'm gonna blend out. To set our under eyes, we're gonna use some Airspun powder. We're gonna go underneath with this light brown shade. Camera looks like it's about to be overheating any second now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some gloss on our lids really quickly. Our Black Radiance palette, and we're gonna just bronze up the sides of our face. We're gonna use some of the Amaretto, which is this brownie blushy shade. All right, so to snatch my nose, I'm gonna use the same powdered contour in the color bronze glow. And I'm gonna heavily contour the nose. Okay, let's go on the sides of our nose. We're gonna bake the sides of our nose. Sun-Kissed palette by Anastasia. It's just been like a very long time. Okay, so we're gonna go in with all of the shades. So for the lipstick, I'm gonna use the Clinique Blushing Pop. I've been using this a lot, but this is perfect. Or if you had Lolita by Kat Von D, that might be a vibe too. Okay, let's go get our hair and then we'll look and feel a little bit more like Beyonce. So let's be right back. Okay, so this wig is from Sensational. I've had this for a minute. I don't know how Beyonce danced with all this hair. Okay, so up here is a bit too poofy for me. So now that we have our hair here, we need to get our shorts in order because we don't have our shorts together yet. Beyonce shorts they were just short. They were like just booty snatchers. I got them at Goodwill, super affordable. This shirt or this crop top, I cut it. It was a yellow sweater, I've been cut it. From Romwe, it was like 10 bucks. These jeans from the local Goodwill, I would say about $5-6 bucks. I'm not gonna try them on or anything, so I'm gonna just flip it over now and I'm gonna follow the cut. So here are our shorts. We're gonna go put them on and I'll be right back.
See me up in the club with 11 girls.
Hey! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
You want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit. Oh, bad bitches only in my section. Bitches only and that's a lesson.